felt it? We all have. Those feelings that magic permeates everything about us, and that we're in the presence of something greater than ourselves. You felt these spiritual callings in those quiet moments when everything comes into sharper focus. Time stands still, and we suddenly feel like we've entered an alternate reality. Who hasn't felt great joy when viewing a glowing sunset, gawking over a field of daisies, watching two puppies tussle, or waking to the delightful freshness of spring air? Whose heart hasn't warmed when glimpsing a full moon on the horizon, witnessing water cascade from a sheer rock face, beholding thousands of minnows swimming in lockstep, or delighting over dewdrops shimmering on a leaf? It's not surprising that we all yearn for a deeper spiritual presence in our lives, seeking the nourishing solace, peace, and well-being it offers. Unfortunately, these experiences often prove to be fleeting. We long for those emotions to endure, yet they slip away, leaving us unsatisfied and in search of a way to consistently access their enchanting embrace. And while there are a variety of practices to cultivate one's spirituality, such as meditation, mindfulness, yoga, forest bathing, gem and sound therapy, etc., however, they all lack in specifics towards reaching the higher holiness and enlightenment we seek. Though with the arrival of this new volume of insight and intuition, all of that is about to change. In this course, I'll introduce a new and practical approach to close this long-standing gap in accessibility. It's called NaturePath, a new and authentic means to develop a deeper spiritual presence through improving one's understanding of and connecting with nature. Why did I select nature as the conduit to loftier realms of holiness? Quite simply, it's the narrative of my personal journey. The spiritual awakening I experienced in 1998 can be traced directly back to numerous profound moments in the heart of nature. These encounters not only ignited the awakening itself, but also sustained my growing spiritual thirst for decades to come. Undoubtedly, Mother Nature herself served as the central and abundant wellspring that fueled my mystical ascent. For further insights into my personal experience, please consult the relevant lecture later in this course. In the meantime, let's break down a widely accepted definition of spirituality to not only better understand the subject, but also test my contention that nature is the most direct pathway towards revitalizing one's inner spirit.